To make a keto-friendly fried chicken, we skipped the flour and went for pork rinds and Parmesan. Almond flour helps adhere everything together as well for a perfectly crisp chicken. We also baked this chicken to skip all of the unnecessary oil, but it still bakes into a chicken breast that you would swear was fried. Feel free to use thighs or drumsticks as well, just know the bake time will be longer. If you go for boneless skinless chicken, you'll want to decrease the bake times. Yields: 6-8 servings. Prep time: 0 hours 15 minutes. Total time: 1 hour 15 minutes. Ingredients for the chicken: 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts, about 4 pounds. Kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 2 large eggs, 1/2 c, heavy cream 3/4 c, almond flour 1/2 c, finely crushed pork rinds 1/2 c, freshly grated Parmesan 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon. Paprika for the spicy, mayo 1/2 c, mayonnaise 1/2 teaspoon. Hot sauce directions: preheat oven to 400 degrees and line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Pat chicken dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper. In a shallow bowl, whisk together eggs and heavy cream. In another shallow bowl, combine almond flour, pork rinds, Parmesan, garlic powder, and paprika. Season with salt and pepper. Working one at a time, dip chicken in egg mixture and then in almond flour mixture, pressing to coat. Place chicken on prepared baking sheet. Bake until chicken is golden and internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, make dipping sauce. In a medium bowl, combine mayonnaise and hot sauce. Add more hot sauce depending on preferred spiciness level. Serve chicken warm with dipping sauce. Click link in description for more delicious recipes like this.